Hi, I'm Sherry, a product specialist at 3M. The Command strips come in 4 different types. Let me show you what each of these are used for. The Indoor Great All-Rounder, the Command Indoor Foam Strip. It has a rubber-based adhesive that's very versatile and works on many indoor common surfaces. The foam backing allows for it to conform to slightly textured surfaces to give it that good surface adhesion. The discreet and transparent, the Command Clear Strip that pairs easily with your decor. It comes with a single piece hook. The strip is thinner than the foam, so make sure when you apply it, you apply the strip onto the wall first, then the hook on the strip. This creates as much adhesion as possible, especially for those semi-smooth surfaces. The Command Clear Strips work great on smooth surfaces like your mirror. Need water resistance? The Command Water Resistant Strip. These are similar to your indoor foam strips. They are light blue, so you can tell them apart. And they're made with a silicone-based adhesive, making them water resistant. They have a foam backing that makes it easier to conform to slightly textured surfaces. The Command Water Resistant Strips are made to withstand wet environments, like in your shower. Want to hang a picture frame? The Command Picture Hanging Strips. These often get mistaken for hook and loop system, but they are hook and hook system. They are sturdy to keep your frames in place and don't sag over time. Both sides of these strips are the same. They have these mushroom head designs that click and lock together. Picture hanging strips are placed behind the frame, keeping the pull tabs hidden. And when you want to remove the frame, the mushroom heads glide apart on an angle, and you can easily access the removal tab to stretch release the Command Picture Hanging Strips off.